Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from KuCoin. This can be into your credit or debit card, into your bank account, or to a different crypto exchange. So first just open up the KuCoin app or website and head over into your assets right here and then click on the overview. Now once you are in this overview, you will here see your total assets. I don't have any asset here, but basically you will see overview here. There are 6 different accounts that you could have your money in. It can be in funding, trading, margin, futures, trading but and futures. Now what I recommend you to do, because you have 6 different wallets right here. For example, if your money is in the trading bot wallet, then what I recommend you to do is to move the money over into your funding account. So make sure that only money that you would like to withdraw is in your funding account. Now then you will see those assets here. Now from there, click on withdraw, and here are 2 options. You can either withdraw a cryptocurrency, so then you can select the coin right here. For example, USDT, KuCoin token, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any of these other ones. They can enter a wallet address where you want to withdraw and choose the network. Although you can also withdraw to a KuCoin user through email, phone number, or UID, and then you can just go and confirm that withdraw in order to withdraw the crypto. However, if you want to withdraw a fiat currency, that is also possible. To do that, just click on withdraw fiat. So fiat is your euro, dollar, British pound, whatever currency you use. So then click right there, and then from here choose whichever fiat currency you would like to withdraw. For example, the euro, but you can pick any of these you see here. Then here you choose withdrawal method. So for example, into a bank transfer, and then for me, I have not yet verified this account, so therefore I would need to verify it. But what you can simply going to do, choose how much you would like to withdraw and then confirm the withdrawal into this bank account. Or for example, if you go with the US dollars, you can withdraw using vet.com, and here you can withdraw to the bank account. So click add new account and then just enter the information, choose how much you would like to do and click on withdraw. So now you know how to so that's how you can withdraw money from KuCoin. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.